Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have branding pre-made logos. These are these are in three format, and here is 14 logos. So first I show you this design, California design 2018, and here is you can use and you can change color, you can write your own text, and this font link in description, website description. You can download. These are free font and you can change it. So first I show you this AI file drag to Adobe Illustrator. Oh, you can see here these are volume 1, and you can change everything, every color one by one. For example, you can change this pot color for example like this, and color is okay, and you see here the color is changed, font color. Okay, wow, fashion design agency, nail and beauty stylist. Okay, this color is green. Wow, this is fantastic. And same here you find this font. You can change. Basically the leaf color is green, so I change it green, white, select all and fill green color. Wow, here is in center. You can one by one change. These are line, select, and white color are basically black, but just I show you. You can change it. Okay, undo. Here is color already changed, so you change this color. Or you can write your own text here. Sheri design, SHERI, Sheri design, DESIGN. Okay, and here is beauty. Same there, you can change color, convert to a yellow color, in yellow color, and here right is right click, recent font Arial, and change color. No, double click, yellow. Okay, and you can match. I just example here. I think is rose color is red, mostly many color rose. Okay, this font color is red. Okay, and arrow. Oh, here is white color, and these are gradients. You can download more, but I will try to upload some. Here is color and gradients overlay. Okay, you see, wow, design color can apply gradients overlay. No, so we can change it, convert in color. Wow, fantastic. here is, but you can change one by one. Color, and here path color. So you can adjust one by one. I know you better know, so I convert this file a home. Sorry, red you can change everything, every color. Like this color is going to blue, and this is in yellow. Here is green. Okay, RGB, that's mean red, green, black. Okay, you can change one by one. And here is color already. Sorry, select this spot and green. Here is green. Okay, you better know, you can do easily. So I open next file. These files are in CMYK color, that's mean printable files for pamphlets or t-shirts or anywhere in paper. And here is PSD file, drag to Photoshop, logo. Here is 14 logo. You can change everything, but here you can't change one by one. You can just, these are one path, and in Adobe here is one path. You can't change one by one a line, and here in Adobe Illustrator you can change one by one thing. You can see I more deeply click on one. Wow, but here in Photoshop you can't change one by one. So I think AI file is better. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.